Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Premiere Pro for smooth slow motion retiming, beginner guide step by step clearly. Navigate to the official Adobe website. Locate the Creative Cloud section on the home page. Click on the Plans or Pricing menu option. Choose the plan that best fits your needs. For single app access, select the Premiere Pro plan. You may also consider the All Apps plan if you intend to use more Adobe software. Click on the Buy Now or Start Free Trial button. If you select Start Free Trial, you will be prompted to create an Adobe ID. Fill in your email address and create a password. Follow the instructions to verify your email address. If you opt for a paid subscription, enter your payment details. Review and confirm your subscription. Once everything is set, download the Creative Cloud desktop app. Install the app by following the on-screen instructions. Open the Creative Cloud app after installation. Sign in with your Adobe ID credentials. Locate Premiere Pro in the list of available applications. Click the Install button next to Premiere Pro. Wait for the download and installation process to complete. After installation, open Premiere Pro from the Creative Cloud app. Start a new project to utilize smooth slow motion retiming. Import the video clip you want to edit. Go to the Sequence menu and select New Sequence from Clip. Right-click on your video clip in the timeline. Select Speed/Duration from the Context menu. Adjust the speed percentage to create your desired slow motion effect. Check the Ripple Edit, Shifting Trailing Clips option if needed. Click OK to apply the changes. Use the time interpolation settings for smoother motion. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.